this is the result of Third Power's knife tool, and it doesn't really fly. It distorts the weight map. Interesting is that you can see that the lightweight default knife acts better in this regard. So, interesting note. But what to do if you have a flawed weight map area? What you can do is you select the points or the edges, and what you do is you select the weight map, of course, and then you go like, okay, let's say 50% value there. That didn't work because I need to have the correct one, 50. And that's kind of fixed, as you can see, but it's not quite there. So in this regard, I'm kind of lucky, I guess. But what you can do here is you can, for example, expand that selection, and what you can do is you can just use a weight blur, and it will fix it automatically. Now you'll see that it's not perfect in this area, but that's a pretty good result. And you don't necessarily need to select anything. You can just run it on the entire object. Can I set that to 0? I don't think so. We'll just go set it to 1. But yeah, I think that this is worth a note. So maybe you should just go like set value there of 50, and after that is done, maybe select an area here or expand this one and blur it. Might be worth a note.